Okay, I'm gonna do Meet My Bird. It's the one, it's so cute. I called it Nile. If you're on direction. I don't know, I just called it Nile. So, I really love him, and he's so cute. And he's a cockatoo. He's just a little baby. He's one that chirps in the background of my video game. It always seems to be the video games. No, hello. Hello, beautiful. No, hello. He's so cute. Thumbs up for cutie. Oh, look. See, that's... yeah, bow for the camera. Bow for the camera. Yeah. No. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. It's... yeah, he's just a little baby. Aren't you, bub? Aren't you, bubby? You're just a little baby. 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 Yeah? Thumbs up for the cute bird. Okay, see you guys. Hope you like my birdie. So cute. So cute. So cute. So cute. Oh, there he goes. Off in the wonder again. And see you guys. Peace.